Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. This video is requested by Bianca Santos. Last time I shared with you guys all of my nail polishes, and this time on my fourth vlog, I'll be sharing with you guys my stamping plate collection. Some of the stamping plates I have were sent to me by the companies for reviews, and some of them were bought. Most of the stamping plates I have has its own review video, so just type the name of the stamping plate on the search bar if you want to watch it. So here are the first batch of stamping plates that I'm showing you. And these are the rectangular stamping plates from Born Pretty Store. We have Celebration BPX L008, BPL013, BPL026, BPL078, BPL063, BPL100, BPL076, Spring Garden L002, BPL103, Valentine's Day L008, Valentine's Day BPL004, BPL091, Thanksgiving L002, Halloween L004, Christmas L005, Christmas L002, Christmas L003, Valentine's Day BPL002, Valentine's Day L010, PPA06 Unicorn vs Rainbow World, Animal L001, BPA08 Lala Pope, Outer Space L001, Spring Garden L007, Geometry L003, Artist L004, Artist L005, and Animal L003. Now here are all of my rectangular stamping plates from Harunoata store. We have L010, L071, L056, L053, and L016. Now I'm showing to you guys all of my rectangular stamping plates from OMG. We have Tianjin 05, Tianjin 04, XY Beauty 05, XYS 01, XY Beauty 22, XY Beauty 19, XY Beauty 30, XYE 10, and XYS06. Now we have all of my circular stamping plates from Born Pretty Store. We have BP36, BP37, BP64, BP51, BP43, BP35, BP42, BP179, BP109, and BP62. This is my one and only Nicole Diary stamping plate, and this is 038. Next we have our My Girl Stuff stamping plates. We have M79, M84, M90, M12, and M50. And this is my one and only Crayon Touch Japan stamping plate. Next we have our My Born Please Store square stamping plates. We have Flower Yarn S002, Halloween S002, BPX52, Summer BPX33, and this is my one and only Beauty Big Bang stamping plate, which is 03. And this is my one and only plastic stamping plate. And that's all of my stamping plates. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!